classes are over for the day, I like to rest for a bit, and I set a timer for 20 minutes so that I can take a short break after school. I often get a snack because I'm usually hungry since it's been a while since I had lunch. My favorite snack are these Cliff peanut butter granola bars. Then while I'm eating, I like to go and sit outside to get a breath of fresh air after being inside the whole day with online school. It's really refreshing and it's good for your mind to take some time away from your devices. Timer's up, it's back to work. I start off by using this Notion template that I got from Janice's Studies. I'll leave the link in the description box below to her channel. It's a really good template for school, and you can use it to write down your assignments or homework or test dates. Her whole video will explain that. But anyway, after school I always like to fill it out and see how much homework I have for today. Once I finish doing that, I also make summary sheets of any notes I took that day by just looking back at my notes and typing in bullet points a basic summary of the notes. Once I'm done doing that, I'll go over to Anki and make flashcards based off the summary sheets for whatever class I had notes on that day. So for example, this day it was chemistry. So I use closed flashcards, which is basically like fill in the blank. And they're really efficient to make, and they help you review what you learned that day. Then I like to head on over to Spotify on my iPad and open this playlist that I found for classical music for studying, because I can't focus if I'm listening to music with lyrics. Once I find some good music, I set a Pomodoro timer before getting to work. There are many apps that have this feature, so I'm going to share a few. This first one is called Hatch, and it's basically where you set a timer, and if you leave the app to try and do something on your phone, your egg will crack and you lose your animal. Then another one is called Flora, and this one is like the same thing except with a tree. And another app that you can use is called Minimalist. In this app, you can also add lists of items to do, and then you can click on them and set a timer for how long you want to do it.